This young man share a video very well regarding insecurity in Imo State. To take it upon himself to always expose the atrocities of JTF military forces at the Imo State. JTF Joint Task Force, in Imo State that comprises of vigilante, man o' war, civil defense, and all this the upgraded Boy Scout and then cause the other. So you man a day ago na video na trend na Sahara report ebe hasi wambo na haya agbabuye tag ya IPOB member no bo na onye ho ego na video we na eme gini we na trend. Now back to hear the young man who said that he's calling on Evangelist Ebuka Obi to help them talk to Hope Uzodimma. Now with his voice and his influence that he can talk to Hope Uzodimma. Can Hope Uzodimma take away all this joint task force and also. And the young man also played a voice note. Everyone guy na kwadisina no chokwali Zion ministry ngobala. Manu John Atuya ihenye nande JTF yejenuzo. That now it has grown to this fact that now you have to call upon man of God to speak to your governors. It gives me so much joy that people are now beginning to see the importance of church and the importance of influence in our society. Obrona, influence, use that influence in a positive way. That influence, use it in a positive way. Mananka pata sige, why not? Is just kaje po fudibia, or kahapu fu arobina, or kahapu fu onye nkozo. So at the end of the day, it still boils down to that church that you people are discriminating. On that day, one day will come that everybody will call Jesus Lord. Man, the problem is that it will be too late for some people. So because for that video, some people now say Ebuka Obi, your governor Imo State, is Ebuka Obi your governor. The truth is that Afomia in two ways. Yes, Ebuka Obi can speak, governor, no. And two, what then are the responsibility of people? Why shifting government responsibility to church? Man, at the end of the day, church man, it gives me joy that at the end of the day, people are beginning to see that the influence that the church commands and the influence the body of Christ has in our society today in a positive way, it gives me joy. So then I top on this video. Call the numbers and the buy.
A message to Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Sir, this message would have reached you long time ago, but because of so many activities, it skipped my mind, and I'm really sorry for that. So I have to deliver the message. So it's better late than never, right? Now, I was meant to understand that Zion Ministry is having a program in Imo State as we speak. The program started on 21st, which is yesterday, and it's going to end on the 23rd of August, which is tomorrow. Now, this message has gotten to my table long time ago. Okay, it was on the 6th of August 2026 that somebody gave us this valid information. So I forgot to bring it out, but some other person has also drawn my attention to it, so that's why I said I must do it today. I have to leave the other video I want to make today. I said I must do this particular one today. Now, this person, let me put on the screen. The person said, "Good morning, boss. I always see what you post, sir, and I like what you are doing, because these people has already wicked me." He is referring to JTF officers in Imo State. JTF officers is known as Joint Task Force. It's a combination of police, army, navy, civil defense, DSS, Air Force. You know, they work together to secure life and property. But the ones in Imo State are not securing life and property. They are stealing from youths, robbing youths, extorting. They can kidnap a youth now on the highway and take them to the bush, and on gunpoint threaten them to send their money to them. So this is why this person is making this complaint. Okay, let me continue. Please, I want you to tag Zion Ministry, because he will be doing program in August, and people will be coming from different places, mostly youths, and they will be extorting money from them because they look good, because they don't use eyes to see young guys looking good or dressed well, and also they will threaten someone to send them money. So please, my boss, I want you to read my message and always tag Zion Ministry, because he is close to Hope, which is the governor of Imo State, which is the governor. And I know once Zion is being tagged and he can talk to governor, and I know the case can be solved, especially the 7.5 in Imo State, and also that joint at Ngopala. Thank you as you read my message, sir, and tag Zion Ministry, because I know he can reach out to Hope, which is the governor. Then I told him, okay, we will do that. Thank you for the valid information. Like I said, it skipped my mind. Then he said, okay, sir, please do, because I know Zion Ministry will really do something towards this act. Thank you. This, the first person. Then another person, yesterday, which is 21st. I told you the program started 21st, right? Now this was the person that brought my mind again to this person's own complaint or awareness. Now look at what this other person sent to me. I'll play the voice note so you guys will hear, okay? Okay, so this person get my DM. Please, bro, reply me. I want to ask you something. I said hello. Then he sent this voice note.
Achọrọ m ịjụta gị something. Achọrọ m ịga Zion na ịma Zion anọ ebe m gbara bet all this thing m na your video JPM so the thing tega m ụjọ the thing ma asa ha before na enweta this Zion ịghọta agabe m this Zion before but achọrọ m ịga this player so him check my phone biko help with them kwatum but I'm and the JTM no before they do the Zion.
Okay, if you listen to that voice note, you will notice that his concern is because of JTF officers. He's asking if this JTF officers, is he going to meet them while he is going to Zion ministry program? He wants to know if he will meet them. That he's scared because I've been hearing our awareness and seen our awareness concerning these JTF officers. If you go to my page right now, sir, you will see a lot of videos and how these JTF officers have extorted a lot of youths, stolen from youths. If you check your program, I don't know if you observe your program because you started yesterday. If you observe your program, you notice that you will see less of young boys that are looking good. You'll be seeing mostly old people, advanced men and women. Why? Most young boys and girls who want to come are scared of coming because of JTF officers in Imo State. They are scared. They don't want to be kidnapped. They don't want to be extorted. They don't want to be profiled as a fraudster that they are not. They don't want to be robbed by security agencies who are meant to protect their lives but are now stealing from them. As I'm talking to you now, sir, those people are still on the road in Imo State. Some of these JTF officers that have been captured on metal glass, on camera, doing all this extortion, kidnapping, we have exposed their pictures in our platform, yet we have not heard or seen that they have arrested them. Meaning they are still on the road. And you know what it means when a criminal is still on the loose. Nobody is safe. So after he sent the first note, I told him, yes, you will meet them along that Ngopala road before you reach Opala Junction that leads to Eche, where you will see Zion ministry. So I told him that yes, you will meet them because they are always there. He said, Omo, I want to go to Zion, but I'm afraid because of them. So, sir, I think I've done what I'm supposed to do. I've created awareness. I'm sure your team will see this video and send to you. I also tag your accounts. And I've also create more awareness to people who don't even know, who want to attend Zion ministry program. Note that JTF officers are there if nothing is done. Because since you have been creating awareness, the government have not removed these criminals, arrested them, and bring them to justice. So you guys, tag anybody in Imo State, share this video to Imo State people who want to go to Zion ministry program. They should be aware that look at what is waiting for them on the way. JTF officers. And please, sir, Evangelist Ebuka Obi, I don't know your relationship with the governor. Still use your influence and bring this case to his table. Maybe, I don't know if they are not hearing our own voice. I don't know. But still use your influence and bring this case to his table. Because people will be scared of coming to church. If I want to come to Zion ministry now, if I want to follow Owere, although if I'm coming, I will follow Port Harcourt, so I will not jam them. I will follow Echie. I will not jam them. But people who are coming from Imo State, you know, all these things they say, they will jam JTF officers, and it's not going to be funny. Maybe money that they have that they want to use as sow seed for something, JTF officers will kidnap them and collect it from them. And people start asking, where is God? And all that, you know, start feeling bad. And no, nobody wants that. So, sir, please use your voice and say something about this matter. Take this matter to the governor. And I believe I'll pass my message. Tomorrow now, which is 23rd of August, which is the last day of the program. Many people would have loved to come to the program on the last day. You know how it is. On the last day, people used to, you know, storm, crowd. But many will not come because they are scared not to be kidnapped, robbed, profiled, extorted by JTF officers. So, sir, please, Evangelist Ebuka Obi, please do something about this.